Welcome to our video on growing microgreens indoors. Microgreens are nutrient-dense, flavorful, and can be grown all year round. With our tips and tricks, you'll be able to grow microgreens with ease in your own home. The first step in growing microgreens is to choose the right container. You can use recycled containers, plastic trays, or even mason jars. It's best to choose shallow containers to prevent waterlogging. Make sure to sanitize your containers before planting. Selecting seeds and soil is the next step. You can choose from a variety of seeds such as kale, broccoli, or radish. Make sure to use a sterile soil mix. You can also add some organic fertilizers to enrich your soil. To plant your microgreens, spread the seeds evenly on the soil surface and lightly press them into the soil. You can cover the seeds lightly with soil or a newspaper. Water the seeds gently and keep them in a warm, bright spot. Caring for your microgreens is important for their growth. You should water them daily and mist them occasionally. Ensure the humidity levels are not too low. In a few days, your microgreens should sprout. When your microgreens have grown to a desirable height, use a clean pair of scissors to cut them just above the soil level. Rinse the microgreens gently and pat them dry. You can store them in a container or a plastic bag in the refrigerator for up to a week. Now that you know our tips and tricks, you can grow microgreens successfully all year round. It's a fun, affordable, and easy way to enjoy fresh, nutritious greens in your own home.